Since we're talking about inflammation, I wanted to show you what our SoftWave device, which is a type of shockwave therapy, will look like for you when you're utilizing it for plantar fasciitis to decrease inflammation. Video animation of the actual SoftWave device. It's an electrohydraulic device, which is the most powerful of all the shockwave devices. And this is the applicator that we place on your heel and the plantar fascia. You can see the electrode there, which is going to be emitting the spark or the shockwave. That's going to help your body fight the inflammation. There's the applicator that plugs into the side of the machine where we're getting the shock from, and the cartridge in the back is where the water's coming from. And you'll see that the water's running through this tube. It's going to be filling up the applicator and allowing you to now see how the water fills up in the applicator, and there's the electrode inside that's going to be emitting that spark, which is going to help signal to the body that something is going on in the area that we're treating. It results in decreasing inflammation and decreasing pain. So now I'm going to show you what shockwave would look like when you're doing a treatment. This is called our SoftWave device, and it's very different from most shockwave devices. This is the true electrohydraulic shockwave device, whereas others that you'll see are more look like guns, and they're called radial devices, and they're extremely painful. Whereas this is a much more comfortable treatment, and it's much more powerful, so it gets the job done faster. So you'll hear some clicking. Go over the areas that are sore. Come around the side. You might see some flashes of light in there. For every click there's a flash of light, but sometimes when it goes fast you just don't see it. And just go right along the foot. How's that feel, Kelsey?
Feels fine.
Yeah. So sometimes when we hit a spot that's a little bit more sore, we're going to go a little bit.
Just on the heel, actually. Like, you can
a little bit up here.
A little bit, but
yep.
It's not unbearable at all.
Yep. And we go to the patient's tolerance. So if it gets to be too much, we just turn it down. You're still getting the positive effects of this SoftWave treatment, which is a form of shockwave. This treatment is over 90% of patients who have it after their first full treatment have significant relief, which is pretty much unheard of. One thing I want to make you aware of is some imposters out there. Like, for example, this device on the right-hand side. Here is the radial device. That is not a shockwave device, but it's often advertised as a shockwave device. So if you're going someplace for shockwave treatment, ask if you can see a picture of the device, or look on their website to see if there's a picture of the device. If it looks anything like the thing on the right, which looks more like a gun, then it's not true shockwave. It's a very painful treatment, and you're not likely to get as good of results in the shortest period of time. So there's 3 ways to get started. One, with the free 15-minute phone consultation. Well, you could start with a trial, which is a brief consult and abbreviated treatment, or you could start with the full consultation, which includes the analysis, biomechanical analysis, and the full SoftWave treatment. If you're ready to get started, then just give us a call at New You Health and Wellness at 414-299-8121. Look forward to helping you soon.